Welcome to Dashway Talks, a show powered by Dashway Consulting, a China-based strategic market research company founded in 2010.
Hello, I'm Marc Burban, founder of Asian Risk Management Services. We are an insurance broker specialized in general insurance. General insurance provides coverage in every situation where an accident may occur. We help our clients to mitigate risk they may face through insurance coverage. We combine an international and local expertise.
How is the insurance premium determined in China?
The insurance premium is determined by many factors. So first, by the limit of indemnity. The higher are the limits, the higher is the premium. The deductible. So this is the share of the loss paid from the own pocket of the insured. So the higher is the deductible, the lower is the loss. And also, so the scope of coverage. For instance, if we want to cover consequential loss, as we explained earlier, it's more expensive. If we want to have access to all kind of to private medical facilities, this is more, the premium rate is more expensive. And also it depends of the activity. If, for instance, if the insured is the activity of insurance like just an office, it's much more cheaper than a factory doing having chemical operation.
Can you give us an example of a public liability insurance claim in China?
The first example, a client in a restaurant tripped over a stool and broke one tooth. As such, the restaurant was not responsible of the accident. However, the client complained and threatened to report to the authority that the fire safety of the restaurant was defective, which was not true, as the restaurant got already approval about the fire safety after an inspection from the relevant governmental agency. So from the manager of the restaurant point of view, this situation creates a lot of anxiety. In fact, if some person from the government agency comes, they may always find some defects, and it may have an impact on the restaurant business. Maybe in the worst case scenario, they may ask the restaurant to close or make doing some expenses to make some repair or renovation. And also, from the general manager of the restaurant point of view, another concern was if the client is not happy and cannot get what he wants, he can make some complaint and making some bad advertisements online. And we know now, especially in China, when the people are going to a restaurant, or they always check online the opinion of the people that have been already in this restaurant. So it's very important for a restaurant to have a good opinion of the clients published online. Moreover, the injured person wants to go to private clinic. It was also covered under the policy of the insured, because there was no restriction in terms of medical facilities where the insured, the third party, the injured person can go. It might be not always the case, as in some public liability policies, there are some restriction of medical facilities. So, under some wording, the injured person can only go to public hospital. Another example of claim, this is regarding a company organizing events. So, in a high-class venue in Shanghai, stains was found on the carpet created by berries used to do the flowers decoration on the floor, done by the paintings to do the decoration for the event, and also some scratch on the railing and on the marble in the garden. And all this damage was done during the installation setting of the decoration. So of course the company, the insured, has to pay for the damage, and on the top of that, from the owner of this venue, there was also an issue, as they have to close for a few days to do the repair, so losing revenue generated by the tenancy of this venue. So in this case, as the public liability covers consequential loss, the insurance indemnifies also the loss of income to the owner of this venue.
Any questions? We will find an expert to answer them. Drop your questions in the comments or send us an email, dx@dashwayconsulting.com.